Understanding, built for the birds, unpacking English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating English idiom, built for the birds. Idioms are phrases that have a meaning not deducible from the individual words. They add color and complexity to the language. So, let's explore what this phrase means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. The phrase, built for the birds, is used to describe something that is considered worthless, useless, or of very poor quality. It implies that the only purpose the object serves is so minimal that it might as well be used by birds, for whom the standards are presumably much lower than for humans. This idiom is a colorful way to express dissatisfaction or disappointment with something. Understanding where idioms come from can often help us remember them better. The exact origins of "built for the birds" are a bit murky, as is the case with many idioms. However, it's believed to have emerged in the mid-20th century, possibly from the idea of making something so impractical or poorly constructed that it would only be suitable for birds to perch on or nest in, rather than for any meaningful human use. To grasp any idiom's use, it's helpful to see it in context. Here are a few examples. After seeing the flimsy construction of the shed, I realized it was built for the birds and wouldn't last a season. They promised us luxury accommodations, but this old, rundown hotel is really built for the birds. I thought the new software would improve our workflow, but it's so complicated and buggy. It feels like it was built for the birds. When using the phrase, built for the birds, it's important to ensure the context is clear that you're speaking figuratively and not literally about something intended for birds. It's a great phrase to express disappointment or critique in a light-hearted or slightly humorous way, without resorting to harsh or direct criticism. And that wraps up our exploration of the idiom, built for the birds. We hope this video has shed some light on this colorful expression and how it can be used to add flair to your English conversations. Remember, learning idioms is not only about expanding your vocabulary but also about understanding the culture and history behind the language. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more interesting insights into the English language. Happy learning!